Fisher refrigerator model RF170WDRX5-N error codes. Transform your kitchen with this 17 cubic feet Fisher Paykel Active Smart Counter Depth Refrigerator. Its upper door provides easy access to foods, and its adaptive environment ensures foods stay at optimal temperatures. This Fisher Paykel Active Smart Counter Depth Refrigerator has glass shelves and ergonomic storage bins for flexible storage options. Error codes. Code. Fault code 1. Problem. Module failure. Code. Fault code 2. Problem. Defrost issue. Code. Fault code 3. Problem. Temperature sensor issue. Code. Fault code 4. Problem. Temperature sensor issue. Code. Fault code 5. Problem. Freezer compartment sensor issue. Code. Fault code 6. Problem. Freezer compartment sensor issue. Code. Fault code 7. Problem. Evaporator sensor. Code. Fault code 8. Problem. Evaporator sensor. Code. Fault code 9. Problem. Refrigerator sensor issue. Code. Fault code 10. Problem. Refrigerator sensor issue. Code. Fault code 11. Problem. Ambient heater PC, FC fan issue. Code. Fault code 12. Problem. Ambient heater PC, FC fan issue. Code. Fault code 13. Problem. Ambient heater fault. Code. Fault code 14. Problem. Ambient heater fault. Code. Fault code 15. Problem. Refrigerator fan issue. Code. Fault code 16. Problem. Refrigerator fan issue. Code. Fault code 17. Problem. Freezer fan issue. Code. Fault code 18. Problem. Freezer fan issue. Code. Fault code 20. Problem. Flapper heater issue. Code. Fault code 21. Problem. Flapper heater issue. Code. Fault code 22. Problem. Water tank sensor issue. Code. Fault code 23. Problem. Water tank sensor issue. Code. Fault code 24. Problem. Ice tray sensor issue. Code. Fault code 25. Problem. Ice tray sensor issue. Code. Fault code 26. Problem. Ice maker motor issue. Code. Fault code 27. Problem. Ice maker motor issue. Code. Fault code 28. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 29. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 30. Problem. Display harness issue. Code. Fault code 31. Problem. Display harness issue. Code. Fault code 40. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 41. Problem. Ice maker solenoid issue. Code. Fault code 42. Problem. Ice maker fill tube issue. Code. Fault code 43. Problem. Ice maker fill tube issue. Code. Fault code 49. Problem. Electronic communication error.